DLM5000 and DLM3000 mixed signal oscilloscope functions and features. Part 3. FFT analysis. By using the FFT function for spectrum analysis, DLM5000 and DLM3000 can easily find the maximum value of the waveform's frequency component. 1. The screen is divided into two parts. The upper part displays the acquired waveforms, and the lower part displays the result of the FFT analysis. The horizontal axis frequency of FFT waveform is determined by sampling rate and FFT point. The scale can be changed. 2. The peak frequency can be auto-detected. The difference between two peak value can be calculated and displayed automatically. Frequency distribution of specified area. DLM5000 and DLM3000 can display the frequency distribution of waveform data in a histogram. 1. The test range of the histogram can be adjusted by moving the white cursors at both ends, or by switching the histogram to display the time axis. 2. The histogram of the parameter measurement can be displayed in real time. Pulse width modulation waveform demodulation. The filtering function can demodulate the pulse width modulation signal. 1. Setting proper low-pass filter bandwidth can filter out high-order harmonic component of pulse width modulation signal and display the demodulated fundamental waveform. 2. It can set cutoff frequency to a small range to comply with input signal. XY display. The XY display function can display two channels waveforms in horizontal and vertical coordinates. 1. Cursor measurement and area calculation can be conducted on XY waveform. 2. Math waveform can be assigned to XY trace.
Thanks for watching. Kindly contact Yokogawa TMI Malaysia for further information.